Hey guys, Merry Christmas. And I just want to give thanks to the Most High. But I hope y'all having a wonderful Christmas. I hope y'all get the gifts that y'all want. And on that note, drink responsible, be careful, drive safely. Because last night I was coming home, y'all, the amount of cars I was dodging, drunk drivers. But I'm just here about to get ready for work because that's all I do. But after I get out of the shower, y'all, I'm gonna cool my missus here, put on her Christmas pajamas, and then I'm gonna let her open her presents. And some of her presents got delayed, but not really a big deal because you already know all year round is Christmas for Madison.
Santa, won't you pour me a shot?
But why did I go to the supermarket right now? And I feel like I paid Christmas price for these items that I picked up. Because I kid you not, y'all, I barely got anything. Hey, go eat your food. Go eat your food. Oh, God, I'm tired. But I have work in a few. I need to go do my skincare. What you looking at? I need to go do my skincare. And I also got a very exciting package coming today. Excited, okay? Because this is my Christmas / birthday present. But hopefully I don't miss delivery because it requires signature. So hopefully by the time I'm ready to leave off for work, it's at my door. Please and thank you. I don't know why my camera is fogging up. And look, it's fogging up even more. Like, what is happening? Hey guys, happy Monday, and don't mind how I look, y'all. Let's just say I was in the middle of doing my hair when I received a UPS notification saying that my package is at a drop point. This is the package that I was supposed to receive from Friday, but I had to go to work, so I missed the delivery. And they made me late for work because they told me it was 12:30 to 2:30. And after 2:30, I ain't see nobody, so I had to go. But anyway, I thought they would have brought it Saturday, but they didn't. And since I'm gonna do that, I'm just gonna stop at BJ's because I need to get some snacks for my sister. I think she's going back to school, I think Thursday. I'm not sure. I gotta check. But whether it's Thursday or next week, I still have to get her snacks. And I'll probably, stop at Primark because some of her school clothes, every time she go to school, I kid you not, they come back messed up to the point of no recovery. So I have to buy her new ones. And I need to stop at the beauty supply store. So thank God that I had to leave my house to go get this package. But I'm super excited. Y'all, I got my package. Oh my God. Alright, the vanilla, I threw my half. I like no vanilla. I like it too. Oh my God. Yes, it does. This smells good. I love this. I'll probably get this. Y'all, I made my way in Target after 100 years. Where's her friend? The coconut water, something about it nice. Girlfriend, I do not see that. So let me show you guys what I got real quick. I went to Target and my friend made me buy the Dove Melanin Lotion. It smells so freaking good. And also the EOS lotion. Out of all of them, this was the best smelling one. Exfoliating pad. I got some collagen toner, and I just got a detangling brush. I didn't need it, but it's pink, so why not? Bro, when it's not one thing, it's another, because I cannot find my camera lens. Like, I just had it. But anyways, let me move these out the way. I'm about to cook, y'all, but I promise to show you guys what I got myself for Christmas / birthday. So let's get into that. And oh my God, this is so hard. Okay, there we go. I tried to prop it up so I could see better, but I think this is my note that I wrote to myself. And one thing about me is every time I do a luxury purchase, I always write myself a note. So really. So anyways, I wrote to myself, I have been pushing through life and I deserve this. And this is what I got, y'all. Tell me this is not a shoe. Like, I'm so freaking obsessed. Yes. So since we got that out the way, I'm about to start cooking, and I'm still pissed off about my lens. Like, I'm so pissed to the point I no longer want to cook. Because I just had it. Like, my microphone right here, it has a magnetic part on it. It was hooked to it. Like, it was there. I seen it this morning. And it just grew legs and walked away. But the good thing is, the last place I seen it was in the house. And then because it's so freaking tiny, it's like really hard to find right now. So hey y'all, happy new year. Like, it's really 2025. And I'm just grateful that God, you know, kept me, protected me. Yep. So I seen the girlies making vision boards, and I don't feel like I'm gonna partake in that this year. I'm just gonna leave my goals, my desires up to the Lord. But I just got home from work, and I came home to 2 packages. And this Amazon package right here, I'm super pissed off about. I'm about to call Amazon because they got me up, okay? Because I ordered this last night. It's a memory card, because this about to be done in a minute. But anyways, let me talk fast. Yeah, I ordered this so it could come 2 a.m. I paid for extra shipping. Why they told me it's coming 2 p.m. So I'm gonna call them so they could give me back my damn money. And what makes matters worse, y'all, is that I literally had to size down, because I normally get a 256, but 128 gigabyte was the only one that was gonna get to my house today. And I said, okay, I want it in the morning because I wanted to talk to y'all. But anyways, we're here now. So let me just format this real quick and get into the other package. I don't even know if I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, I just wanted to come in here and say Happy New Year. And I hope you guys execute all the goals that you set, put God first. And yeah, be safe out in the streets, because it's crazy. I even seen on the news that 10 people lost their life in New Orleans. Then I think 10 people again got injured in New York. It's just crazy. Y'all be safe. For real, for real. So hey guys, I'm headed out to my friend's birthday dinner, and this is the outfit. I think my top is from Pretty Little Thing or Eagle, one or two. It's gonna be in the description box. My pants are from Shein. I've had this a little over a year, but they're like leggings material, and I'm like so self-cautious of how I look in certain things, so I just never worn it. My bag is from Amazon, and my heels are from a company called Tony Bianco. But yeah, that's my outfit, and I feel so freaking cute. Like, what? I think I should just leave both sides of the hair in front. It's my favorite look on me, especially when my face is beat. Baby, I'm taking it. And my friend's calling me. Hey girl, you so pretty. It's what? You gotta step back. Let me see. Long herring, the long ones. Yeah. Okay, girl. You look alright, girl. You look fabulous. Long earring. So tell me why I forgot to apply my entire eye makeup, so I had to go do a little something. This is technically what I do every time. But yeah. This girl trying to get me drunk. Ooh, turn around, give me a spin. Talk about it. Talk about it.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. As y'all see, my makeup is still on, which I don't like to do. But when I came home last night, I fell asleep on the couch for like an hour, and then I woke up, get undressed, put on a t-shirt, and went straight to bed. I did enjoy myself at my friend's birthday dinner, and I met a couple of her friends, which they were pretty cool. And let's just say the night was chaotic, okay? It was chaotic, but it was fun. It really was. So we were supposed to go to like an after spot, but we didn't end up going because one of the girls, you know, when you drink on an empty stomach, you're gonna start throwing up and all those things. So we just took her home. And I even lost my freaking favorite liner. This has never happened to me. Never.
Oh my God, my Shayla. My Shayla.
And I'm pissed off because I don't even know which one I lost. I don't know if it's the NARS or the MAC. I actually need to go check. So I'm going in with my good old dandy Verse cleansing balm, and this is a makeup remover essential for me, and this is almost done, but your girl got to back up. So hey guys, editing Shakera checking in. Y'all, I'm having a rough time. Content creation is not for the weak, okay? I don't have a freaking camera. Tell me why I went to do my nails. The lady bumped my camera into the fucking shit that I was washing my feet. So that's water damage. So I had to send it in. Plus other shit that was going on with the camera. I'm over it. And then the SD card that was in it had so much new footage. I did so many new things. Well, not new things. I did a lot of things that was, you know, interesting. And I wanted to put it in the vlog. Girl, why did I put that SD card in? Shit's not working. I'm pissed off. I'm really pissed off. TikTok has been banned. My camera not working. Baby, I'm tired. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. And I don't know when you guys gonna see me again because my camera is still in the process of being inspected. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Love you. Mwah. Thanks for watching.